found out that I won, I was actually surprised because I didn't think that I would win things. I founded Project STEM, which is basically my passion project. I saw a bunch of my peers struggling with these subjects. It started off as like a tutoring club to help other students in my school, and because of the success, I've actually taken Project STEM and expanded it into the San Francisco Public Library, where I host like STEM workshops specifically for youth. I think the key thing that I want to see is change, see growth in my community, and I think I saw it with what I did. I really learned how it is to be a leader and see how things are, from stepping back or stepping up and seeing what needs to be fixed.
I know she's put a ton of, time into all of her activities and building her record that make her very worthy of this. She's an amazing student and really deserves it.
Burton is a great environment if you need help. There's a lot of resources here.
I think what stood out the most about Cynthia is her passion and hard work.
I really want to become a lawyer to help advocate specifically for the underrepresented communities. Being a first generation low income student, I've seen a lot of students like me struggle with like the environment they're in, and I really want to be that person to advocate and be like, this isn't right, I want change for us.
I hope that she can fulfill her dream of really serving her community and uplifting people who need help. She has just always been really dedicated to that. I think it's impressive in a high school student. All of her extracurricular activities are about helping other people.
I would say to my younger self, be a risk taker, do everything that you want to do, dream big, because essentially you never know where you will be, and if you keep going, you will be there.